Hi you guys, so in our last video I left you with kind of a cliffhanger. I had recently decorated our bedroom for the fall, and once I got everything in place I felt like it was still missing something. And so today I'm going to add a few more small touches to the space and walk you guys through that process with me, kind of my chain of thought, etc. So I hope you're ready for today's video as we finish decorating our master bedroom for the fall. So today I'm going to do a super quick, no fuss way of doing an easy floral arrangement in a vase. So I got this from Ross. I love that it was two-toned because you guys know that black and gold is the color palette for our home. And this was only $14.99, so it was an absolutely amazing price. And I thought I wanted something more in it. So at first I just had it kind of here, but it kind of lacked luster in our bedroom, and I felt like we needed something a little more. And so I decided to do a quick floral arrangement. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I got 4 different pieces of flowers, and I'm going to kind of share these pieces with you. I did purchase them when they were 40% off. And my last next door neighbor was a master gardener. And so one of the things she told me was that when building floral arrangements in your home or in your flower bed, there were 3 different types, and that was the thriller, the filler, and the spiller. And so the thriller would be the biggest, tallest piece, right? It brought the most thrill. And so this is a thriller piece that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It was $13.99 with an additional 40% off. Now, I always leave my tags on until I can decide whether or not I want to, keep it or not. And so just for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to leave the tags on, but I like it, so I'm going to end up taking them off anyway. So I did not put any styrofoam or anything in this vase because I honestly didn't need it. But if you want that extra security, definitely feel free to styrofoam it in and glue it into your styrofoam. I wanted the ability to use it again, so that's why I'm doing it this way. So I'm just going to put this in. I don't have to bend the stems or anything because it gives me the right amount of thrill. Now, if I wanted it taller, I could have put styrofoam in it and made it that tall, but I don't. So I'm just going to leave it there. And then the next thing I'm going to add is my spiller. And so the spiller is the flower that spills over. It spills out of the container or out of the vase. And so this is going to spill outside of my floral piece. And I just wanted to kind of cascade a little bit over the dresser, but I don't want it to interrupt with my ability to get in and out of that drawer. So I'm going to leave it there. And I just love the drama of that. Okay. And then the next thing I'm going to add is another type of spiller. So I'm going to add that in right here. Again, I don't have to cut the stems. I try to leave my stems as long as possible so that if I ever want to transfer it or use it somewhere else, I don't have to worry about my stems being too short. Again, if you want to make this more permanent, feel free to use your styrofoam. Feel free to glue it in and do whatever you have to do. But this is just going to be a temporary arrangement for me for now. And we'll go from there. And then I have a filler And I love this greenery. I used it all throughout my office. I think it's $4.99 a stem. This one and that last piece were both $4.99. And the first two pieces were $3.99. So I'm gonna put those in right here. And I really want that to be more of the focal point. And so there you have it. This is what that centerpiece looks like with 3 different types of greenery. I love the outcome. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. So here's what the room looked like before I added the greenery pieces inside of the vases. And here is what the room looks like after. If you want to see more quick DIY type tutorials like this one, definitely let me know by leaving a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!